Short script benefits of a cow. Narrator. Cows are one of the most helpful animals to humans. They give us many things that support our daily life. Scene 1. Milk. Narrator. First, cows give us milk. Milk is used to make butter, cheese, curd, ghee, and ice cream. It helps us stay strong and healthy. Scene 2. Farming help. Narrator. In villages, cows help farmers. Cow dung is used as natural fertilizer, which makes the soil rich and helps crops grow better. Scene 3. Eco-friendly uses. Narrator. Cow dung is also used to make biogas, which can be used for cooking and lighting. Even cow urine is used in some traditional medicines. Scene 4. Cultural importance. Narrator. Cows hold a special place in many cultures. They are respected for their kindness and the many gifts they provide. Ending. Narrator. So the cow is not just an animal, it is a symbol of nourishment, support and sustainability, truly. The cow is a blessing to people.